How many videos are in your watch later playlist? 100? 500? That isn't a playlist. That is a graveyard for your ambitions. We call this learning, but actually it is information obesity. We consume gigabytes, but retain 0 bytes. 1 hour after a podcast, you barely remember the main point. I got tired of wasting time, so I built a digestive system for my second brain. I feed it a 2-hour lecture, and 10 seconds later, I get the pure nutrients, a summary, deep insights, and an action plan. I'm Ruslan, a lifestyle engineer. I don't just build systems, I engineer how I consume information. Today, I will show you how to build this pipeline using N8N, Google Gemini, and a professional actor to do the heavy lifting. Welcome to Karimov Lab, where we engineer solutions to information overload. First, the interface. We're using Telegram because it's fast. Go to Bot Father, create a bot, and get your API token. This is your remote control. Next, the brain. We need Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. Why? Because it has a massive context window, meaning it can read an entire book in 1 second without forgetting the beginning. Finally, the engine, N8N. This is where we connect the wires. Step 1. The trigger. We use the Telegram node to listen for incoming messages. We will be pasting YouTube links right here. Step 2. The extraction. In the lab, we don't just do things manually. We hire specialized actors to do precision work. Standard tools like simple YouTube downloaders often fail with accurate timestamps or miss subtitle tracks. So I hire a specialized robot, an Apify actor called YouTube Transcripts scraper. You can find more other actors in there. I configure it with 2 inputs, the video URL and the language code. Within 15 seconds, it watches the entire video for me and returns every single line of dialogue with millisecond accurate timestamps, even for a 3-hour podcast. This works in any language. I use it for both English podcasts and Russian business courses. Step 3. The glue. The actor gives us thousands of tiny text fragments. We use a simple code node to stitch them together into one clean, readable story. Step 4. Intelligence. We feed this clean text into Gemini, but do not just ask for a summary. That is for amateurs. We give the AI a strict blueprint. Here is the exact instruction I give to Gemini, the prompt. And crucially, we tell Gemini to reply in JSON. This turns the text into structured data, like Legos, that we can build with later. This follows my 1-3-1 principle. 1 clear summary, 3 deep insights, 1 action you can take today. Now, where do we save this? Most people choose one app. I say, why not both? So step 5 is the split. We divide the workflow into 2 parallel paths. Path A goes to Google Sheet. This is my high-speed search index. I can filter 500 videos in seconds. It's just a clean raw with the title, URL, tag, and summary. Path B goes to Notion, my deep work library. I go here when I'm ready to act on those insights, not just browse. Here is a pro tip. The standard Notion node can't create checkboxes or toggle blocks, but the HTTP request node lets us speak Notion's native language, the blocks API. I map each action item from the JSON array to a to-do block type with checked false. It's like programming Notion directly. This allows us to build a stunning page automatically. We map our action items to real interactive checkboxes and our insights to bullet points. It looks like a human formatted by hand. Step 6. The confirmation. Why the merge? If Sheets saves successfully but Notion fails, I don't want a false success message. The merge node waits for both paths to complete before replying. Okay, so let's test it. I paste a link to a complex video about branding. Watch this. The bot replies, saved. I open Notion. There is the page. I see the action items ready to be checked off. I check the spreadsheet and the row is also there. It took 8 seconds. I didn't have to watch the video even though I actually did. The knowledge is now mine. In a world drowning in content, the ultimate superpower isn't consumption, it's filtering. This system turns noise into signal. I've put the full N8N workflow JSON, the exact Gemini prompt, in the description below. Everything you need to replicate this in your own lab. Comment below, what is the oldest video in your watch later list? See you in the next one.